How to use the new text-to-speech feature in Simplified AI. First, make sure to check the link provided in the description below to gain easy access to the tool we'll be using. Once there, log into your existing account, or simply use your Google account to sign in. Now, in the top right corner of your screen, you'll find a menu symbol that looks like 9 dots. Click on it to reveal a pop-up menu, and then select the Video option. Next, select your recent project to continue working on it or start a new project from scratch. Now, locate the microphone symbol below and click on it. A pop-up menu will appear, and from there, select the Add Text-to-Speech option. A new section will appear on the left side of your screen, allowing you to customize the text-to-speech settings. You can choose the language and voiceover style in this section. Simply click the down arrow to open the selection and browse through the available options. To preview a voice, click the play button next to its name. Once you're satisfied with your voiceover style, it's time to input the text you want to generate as a voice by AI. Simply type your desired text into the provided area. To listen to the generated voice, click the play button below the text input. If the voice sounds good to you, proceed to the next step. Click the Add to Artboard button located above the text input. Your voiceover will now be added to your project in the editing section below. In the editing section, you can further modify the voiceover. Feel free to edit the cut, adjust the timing, and move the voiceover to where you want it to be in your video. After you've finished editing and are satisfied with your project, it's time to share it. Find the Share button in the top right corner of your screen and click on it. This will provide you with various sharing options to collaborate with others or simply showcase your work. Lastly, if you want to download your video, click the Export button also located in the top right corner of your screen. From there, click the Download option, choose a location to save your file, and click on Save.